Okay friends, to get started on our differential breather fitting here, we want to first locate it. You can see the breather tube leads down to the fitting itself. If you have a metal clamp, go ahead and cut that out of the way. Get that right off of there. Now let's grab that tube, give it a nice twist, pull it off of here, set that aside. Spray the area with some penetrant. Let's remove the vent. Let's carefully lift up on this, and we're just going to clean the area. Top of that differential, and then of course the bottom side of the line. Make sure we have a nice even connection point there, keep all the moisture out. Now it's going to be time to install our brand new vent tube here. Let's go ahead and find that hole, start it into the differential, and then we'll continue on by snugging it up. Okay, so it just bottomed out right there. Just going to give it a teeny bit more. Give this a nice wiggle, make sure it doesn't move around. That feels perfect. Let's go ahead and connect our hose. And then of course you want to make sure you put something on there to hold it tight, such as a wire tie. Our mess. Perfect.